Are you looking for the best cold plunge in the market? Congratulations, you found it. This is our RevX Top Classic Bundle, our best seller. The reason why this is the best seller is because it's the most optimal, efficient, and powerful combination of all the parts. Let's begin by looking at our Top Classic size. This tub fits people up to 6'4" comfortably in it. It has 100 gallons of water capacity at the minimum water line, and the water flow into it is amazing. So when you sit on this side of the tub, it breaks your thermal barrier faster and you get colder even more. This bundle pairs perfectly with our filtration system and chillers. We offer a UV or an ozone filtration cabinet. If you're not sure what ozone is, go with UV. It's our best seller. For chillers, choose between our commercial grade 1, 1.5, and 2 horsepower chillers, all powered by Panasonic compressors. For longevity, you can count on. All this comes with our insulated tubing kit with smartly placed valves to make your maintenance a breeze. Remember, a 3-part cold plunge system is always better than an all-in-one chiller because 3 is better than 2. Our mission is to help you improve your daily routine with a cold plunge. Because if you want to be the best version of yourself, you need the ultimate cold plunge from RevX Wellness.